Bird from some dogs. Tibby, show them the baby bird.
We're trying to get back to its parents. It's not calm.
Yeah, their parents are up there.
Yeah, they're looking for her. Hey, it's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, they're in the trees.
Hey, are you okay?
Timpy picked out a scab and now it's bleeding.
Yeah.
Oh, and here's our fully grown chickens, you guys.
They're not fully grown.
Well, they're like a good bit.
Are you okay? Are you okay? We're trying to get back home.
We finally calmed down the birdie.
But
hopefully.
it can't breathe. I mean, no.
Timpy!
It can breathe, but it can't fly.
It looks stupid.
Let's go into the playhouse and like.
No, we gotta give it back to its parents.
We will.
Timpy. You don't, we shouldn't even put a bird inside of the playhouse. Oh, guys, if y'all forgot, it's our nice playhouse.
Come on.
Timpy, no, we're not putting it in Cass's kennel.
Oh, God.
Timpy, just stop worrying about the stupid
God.
scab. Here, let me get...
Let's.
I'll get some grass.
You want some grass?
No, I'll wipe your blood off with the grass.
Stop.
No, it's going to work. Timpy, why are you so stubborn?
Hi.
Timpy, don't... Are you holding him hard?
No, I'm barely touching it.
Okay. Timpy, don't bring... No!
Yeah.
Timpy, we gotta go bring him back to his parents. Come on.
Okay. Now, no bird. It's okay. Oh my God, are you hungry?
Timpy,
go get it some bugs.
No, we have to bring it back to its parents. That way it can regurgitate. Timpy, stop. You're making it think that you're its parent, and that's not gonna be good. Timpy, come on, let's go.
No, it needs to get back to its parents. Hey.
Yeah, so let's go. It's calling to him. Come on. Stop being so stubborn.
I'm not trying to. It's just I found it. I've never picked up a bird. You gotta go show it to
No,
Mom
you
and
picked
Dad.
up the dead bird. Remember that?
Go show it to Mom and Dad.
Alright, I'll stay out here. Hurry back. Alright, so yeah, guys, my sister found a bird, apparently. She thought it'd be a good idea. And its parents are chirping away, all freaked out as ever, okay? Like, God. Oh, Black Cat was over here earlier. That Black Cat's evil, I'm telling you. Hold on, let's see. Look, you see? That house over, hold on. That house, oh, and the video might end without me stopping it. That's just because something bad might have happened. But look, see where that house, it's where all the cats are. Okay, and there's a Black Cat, and I could just tell by how he looks that he's evil. Oh, and look, over there, it's our neighbor's house. They got a dog, and over there behind that tree is another house. That's one of our other neighbors. They have a dog. Oh, and a tree fell again. You see this big pile of brush? That's from this stupid tree that keeps breaking. And this thing finally broke. And somebody cut Cass's cable. So you see the line? So I'm glad he wasn't on it, or he would have gotten squished. And then he would have been a doggy pancake. But yeah. Oh, and also, let's go ahead and go back here. What? Coming! Alright guys, so, I'm gonna go and end the video here, but we're gonna go return it to its parents, and it's gonna have a good day. Say bye, little birdie. Say bye, Timpy.
Bye.
Bye, guys.